Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you for all the support. Today is Hanuman Jayanti. I want to wish everyone a happy Hanuman Jayanti. To all my Hindu brothers, sisters, all my viewers, subscribers, happy Hanuman Jayanti. To all those who celebrated Hanuman Jayanti. So guys, I know I usually make a lot of sweet during fasting time, so we eat a lot of sweet during Shivratri. So I'm not making no sweet today. Guess what I'm making today? Veggie stir fry. And my wife make earlier. Balanji curry, dal roti. I will show you that. So I'm making a plant-based sausage, stir fry with some broccoli, green pepper. I'll show you what it look like. So we have a lot of rain in here, plenty of rain. So again, thank you for all your wonderful comments on the video I make in the village farm in Liberty Avenue. Thank you guys for your thumbs up, your like. Thank you guys so much. And the video I make in Coney and all the comments you guys did. Thank you everyone. Bless up to you guys. You guys are the best. Without you guys, your channel can be nowhere. Alright guys? So thank you again for watching. So let me show you what I have for the stir fry. This is the dal roti my wife make earlier. Medium size dal roti. Not too big. Like we buy on Liberty Avenue. Bust up short one. Balanji curry she make earlier. We didn't do any video on this one here. So this Balanji curry potato. I have broccoli, washed with salt and vinegar. Soak for 15 minutes. Everything is washed with salt and vinegar. 2 medium red onion. I have about 5 or 6 chili pepper I'll put inside. 2 medium size bell pepper. You can add more stuff. And I have some asparagus. I will just do that separately. And I have, this is the plant-based sausage. Italian garlic, fennel, plant-based sausage. You can also add mushroom in this too. If you want to put mushroom in, you can add a veggie you want to cut inside. Even zucchini squash, you sugar it out, wash it real clean, sugar it long, cut it in half long, and you can do it with the zucchini also. Alright, so you can put the sausage in, but we don't want it to get too real hot. So turn on. So what we got to do, we go cook this sausage. Once the sausage is cooked, you can take the sausage out and then add the broccoli. Then we can add the bell pepper and the onion. Then we can add this back at last because I don't want everything to mash up. I want to get the crunch of the broccoli, the crunch of the pepper. Looking good there. Good snack. You can eat it just like this with some pepper sauce. This is the sausage I took out. So we got this back at last. You know I love my teriyaki sauce. And I average, I don't measure sesame oil, soy sauce, and we have a marinade sauce here, and that's some black pepper, some Himalayan salt, pink salt. We add a little garlic powder, and this is my favorite. Let's make everything taste good. Meat, veggie. So I'm not cooking the broccoli, get too soft. We want a little crunch on the broccoli. I'll cover on this, let it cook. Once you get like a part thinner, then we can add the rest, the onion, the bell pepper, and then we add back the sausage after. Alright guys, so you know what? The broccoli halfway cooked, almost. Not almost done, but halfway. So we gotta add the onion and the bell pepper now. The onion, bell pepper. Alright, so we add the onion, the bell pepper, we can cut the chili pepper in. Cut a little small, we don't want it too big. And this is nice, I buy it at the new store that opened Liberty Avenue, Village Farmers Market. Nice chili pepper, is nice, medium hot, not too hot. Let's cook and then we can give it a taste, see if it needs any more kind of salt or seasoning. Alright guys, so the stir fry is finished. So what we gonna do, This is done. We got back the sausage now. There it is. Very good. So we don't have to cook this anymore. Just spin it there with the sausage inside. So that's the stir fry with the plant-based sausage for fast day, right? Keeping fast. No meat today. So we'll give it a taste. I'll just give it a taste. Kind of hot. So I have a piece of the sausage. Broccoli, see how nice the fire going. Look, easy and nice. Fat tender. It's kind of hot, so let's try the sausage first. And it is nice spicy sausage. It's really good. Broccoli. Perfect. Bell pepper. Perfect. So we empty this from here, and I will do some of the asparagus I have there. I just salt over that. And so for the asparagus, I just put garlic powder, onion powder, that's a red chili, the asparagus, and the salt to this. You add a little Himalayan salt. That's good. This you can wrap it. If you're not keeping fast, you wrap it with bacon and it comes out perfect. You can bake it in the oven or you can fry it with the bacon. Wrap it with bacon, really nice. Okay, so our asparagus is done. This is good, you know. I'm gonna bite it. These kind of crunchy like fries. That's good. That's good then. Okay, so that's the stir fry. Plant-based sausage. Bell pepper, broccoli, red onion, seasoning. Right, so that's the stir fry. With plant-based. Keeping fast today for Hanuman Jayanti. And that's the asparagus. But you guys know asparagus is not hard. Everybody make it different. I just had a pack, so let me make it out one time. Alright, so see, start for us. Fast food and healthy. You enjoy your Hanuman Jayanti. If you eat a lot of sweet, make sure you have a Karela juice, the cinnamon juice, standby. So you don't want a sugar spike. But all is sweet, right? So today I'm not eating no sweet. You're veggie. Eat a lot of sweet with your rash already, so no sweet today. I have sweet for the altar, for praying, which for after the gods, we have stuff for that. Guys, thank you for watching. So enjoy the rest of your Hanuman Jayanti. See you back soon in the next adventure.